You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these paramount chief in nowadays Virginia. For more Native American names, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got many more to learn from history here. Opechancanough is how it's generally referred to in English in the US. Opechancanough, Opechancanough, Opechancanough. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.